Today we're gonna have a yoga flow that is suitable for everybody, especially for people who have not been practicing for a while and coming back to the practice. My name is Barry, your instructor today. Li Ling, student today. She'll be doing all the demos, all the hard work. Again, yes. Inhale, hands up to the sky, lengthen. Exhale, forward, fold palms on the floor by your feet. Inhale, flat back, lift your head, lengthen. Press your hands, squeeze your core, step back with your left leg, then your right leg plank pose. Exhale, slowly lie down on the floor. Inhale, baby cobra. This is a back bend, pelvis on the floor. Exhale, downward facing dog, lift your hip. Inhale, up to the sky. Exhale, step through between your hands, in your right leg 45 degrees, warrior one. Same thing, engaging your core all the time. Rotating your shoulders so elbows slightly facing forward. Press your hands. Inhale. Exhale, hands down on the floor. Chaturanga Tadasana, low push-up. Inhale, upward facing dog, back bend. Exhale, downward facing dog, lift your hip. Inhale, bend your knees, step or jump forward between your hands. Inhale, flat back, lift your head. Exhale, forward, fold palms on the floor. Inhale, sit back on a chair, knees touch, toes touch. Right armpit outside your left knee. Right armpit outside your left knee. In this pose, your top of your head is lengthening forward. Twist. 4. 1. Open your heart to your left, warrior. 2. Start your hip. Right hip in front of your left hip, one straight line. Knee in line with your second toes facing forward. Your dristi should be look at your right hand, straight your right leg, straight your right leg. I want you to do triangle pose. Reach your right hand forward, keeping your left shoulder on top of your right shoulder. Slowly fold and grab your big toe with your second and third. Nothing to do with your left shoulder. Lengthening your spine forward. Slightly rounding your lower back and start twist to look at your left hand. Your palm together. Inhale. Exhale. Forward fold from your hip. Forward fold and look up to flat your back, relaxing your right shoulder, and twist more, lift your knee, 4, 3, 2, slowly forward fold, right hand outside your left leg, open your heart to your left. Again, to do this pose, you try to hollow your tummy and twist. It's not folding, it's twisting. You have to press that hand on the floor. A lot of people are fingers up. When your fingers up, it's completely different pose, yes? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, relax your left shoulder. 4, 3, 2, 1. Start kicking with your left leg. Hug that left knee to your tummy. Handstand or flow back, jump back, Chaturanga Tadasana. Breathe now. Healing, listen to the instruction. Trust me, bend your arms, Chaturanga. Downward facing dog when you're done. Breathe. Downward. If you practice, do so. If not, it's totally okay to stay in single-legged pickup, yeah? No worries. Breathe now. 90 degrees to the floor, so you need to move your hip back a little bit, yes? Chest and chin on the floor, chest and chin on the floor. Some of you might have shoulder issues, so you need to rotate your shoulders. So thumb facing up. Are you okay? First class. We're all gonna do one big Om to close our practice today. Inhale. Om. Hey.
Wow.
Is it better? I don't
It's
wanna. I know you.